If you've lost a loved one due to COVID-19, you could be eligible for reimbursement from FEMA for funeral costs. Kate Nemrich explains the process and spoke with someone who has already applied for relief herself.
Since the start of the pandemic, over 1,000 people in Northeast Tennessee died from COVID-19. That's more than 1,000 funerals or services people had to pay for, many years before they ever thought they would need to. Those costs have been hard on some families.
Especially, as a breadwinner, if you're losing a breadwinner, then that puts you in a different position.
Just 2 months ago, Colleen Keene lost her husband to COVID-19. Keene and her husband have 4 daughters, 2 of whom are still at home.
Nice cushion, if it were, so that I don't have to rush into working and being a single mom and having to worry about the income.
According to the FEMA website, only 1 application per funeral can be submitted for reimbursement, meaning if several people help pay for expenses or you are waiting to hold a full service later, you need to include all of that paperwork together. Preston McKee runs Morris Baker Funeral Home in Johnson City. He encourages you to contact your funeral home before you try to contact FEMA.
We can also help provide them with digital copies of the documents that FEMA requires for the application. Funeral home can also assist you if the death certificate doesn't have the required information. There is a process of amending the death certificate, and the funeral home can help do that with a physician.
COVID-19 must be listed as a cause of death on the death certificate. Funeral expenses covered include a wide range, including the services and burial, and even some transportation. Applicants can get up to $9,000 in reimbursement. Right now, there is no deadline or cap on funding. In Johnson City, Kate Nemrich, News Channel 11.